Hey everyone, my name is Jonathan with Shopsmith Repair. I am James's grandson. This video is for you PowerPro owners out there. If your PowerPro Gen 1 has failed, there are a few important things that you need to know. The first is that any failed Gen 1 machine must be upgraded to Gen 2. The Gen 1 control panel is now obsolete and can no longer be repaired or replaced. Because of that, the upgrade process begins by replacing the control panel with a Gen 2 version to determine whether that resolves the issue. If the machine still doesn't operate properly after the control panel upgrade, the power supply will also need to be replaced. While the Gen 1 power supply is compatible with Gen 2 systems, power supply failures are common and may be the root cause of your problem. We offer this upgrade for a flat rate of $1,500. This includes reimbursed shipping costs, full overhaul of the existing issues, along with replacing worn parts like bearings and belts. We offer an unmatched 2-year warranty. If the power supply ends up needing replacement, that does add $580 to the repair. In that case, the total cost for your upgrade and repair would be $2,080. Additionally, we can reduce cost and damage in shipping by having you remove your PowerPro motor and shipping us the remainder of your headstock. We have an instructional video that will show you how easy it is to remove your motor and prepare your PowerPro for shipping. There is a link down below in the description of this video that can help you do that. It can also be found on our website, on our shipping page. Just go to shopsmithrepair.com. We want to remind you, never ship a PowerPro to us with the motor installed. Doing so can cause severe damage during transit, and any resulting damage would be the owner's responsibility. We understand that this is a significant investment, which is why we offer financing through Affirm. This allows you to get your machine repaired now and pay over time. Finally, if your Gen 1 PowerPro is still working, we offer a protection device designed specifically for these machines. This upgrade adds the fuse and circuit breaker protection found inherently in Gen 2 systems, helping protect the sensitive control panel and power supply in your Gen 1 machine from damage. To protect you from approximately $2,000 of repair costs, call or text us at 919-870-9867 to order one of these protection devices. You can also email us at shopsmithrepair@gmail.com or just visit our website, shopsmithrepair.com. If you have any questions about your PowerPro, upgrading your device, or our protection device to help you save on the upgrade, we are always here to help. This has been Jonathan with Shopsmith Repair, and we'll see you next time.